Very unfortunate, our phone died from our previous video where we were just showing you how we basically took that screw out, and then while we were replacing it, so we had to tighten it up and make sure the handle like it's in really tight. But anyway, so we went ahead after our phone died, and we were really sorry about that. So we went ahead and turned the pump. You can hear the pump running, so turn all the water, cut off back on, and it stopped our dripping water from the backwash pipe. So basically our problem was our gasket. So the gasket was the problem. So once we changed the gasket to the new gasket, it stopped the water from flowing through our backwash pipe, continuously dripping through here. And this is what you can see. If you see our previous video, you understand why water's on the floor like that. So we wanted to continue the video and to let you know that everything went well. So everything is functioning and working accordingly to what our expectation by taking our time and do the job the way it's supposed to be, so we don't have to keep coming back here. So of course we put it back on filter. This is the position we found it. Please don't hesitate. If you like this video and the previous one, please subscribe, because I need you to subscribe in order for me to continue making videos like this. Thank you.